All right, so let's take a look and see what we got here. I do believe it is ta-da! Check it out. It's a Dyson vacuum cleaner. All right. Comes with some, I guess this is the, I don't know what it is. Let's put it to the side. And it looks pretty simple. We've got a QR code that we could do something with. And it comes with this. This is you attach to the wall. Gives you a little card how to do it. And I guess we can just go ahead and open it up. So here, it's just like all the other ones. You put, you know, your attachments here. There's your thing. Oh, I think over here they've got, let's see what we got. I don't know what this is. Probably screws or something, right? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, they give you some anchors and some screws. Save those, you might need them. Sweet looking roller head. Let's pull that out of there. Look at that. That's nice, man. Put it down. Get rid of that. Let's keep going. What's this? Who knows? Oh, shoot. Oh my God. Packaging. It's ridiculous. Look at that. Keep that. Let's check this out. Everything's all... There it is, brand new. Check it out. Look at that. Sweet. That is so nice. Look, it's got this rubber here. Oh man. Nice. Here's the charger. Have to feed that through that thing over here. So let's just set that there. Check it out. Here's the wand. Nice. Set it on there. And here it is. There she be. It's already got a charge on it. Look at that. Filter wash. Yeah. Oh my gosh, looks fantastic. What do you guys think? Let's set her down here. See what else is in here. I think we've got, oh wait a minute. We got one more thing. What could it be? Oh, it's a crevice tool. I think. Oh, Jesus. Packing. Crevice tool, check it out. Nice. Look at that. All right, so that's everything. All right, so let's take a look and see everything that we got. We got our crevice tool. We got our sweet, gigantic head, right? Look at this. Warning. I don't know what that warning is for. Here it goes, hair removal veins, right there. And this, I don't know what this is. What do you think that is? I don't know. Let's put it down. All right, so here's our small head. And this one's interesting because it's like a, it kind of goes like a, you know, into like a pyramid type thing. But it's got anti-tangle screws. Okay, I'm digging it. put it down there. Here's another little attachment. It's got this felt here, 2 holes that suck all the stuff up. And then here's our wand. Yeah, so we can assemble it all. If we wanted to, we could start with this. And the way this stuff goes together is pretty simple, just like this. Bam, it's on. And then if I wanted to connect the body of this, I just go like this. And now I'm ready to vacuum. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? This thing's ready to go. So let's go ahead and we'll do a little demonstration. All right, so here it is. Our brand new vacuum, our Dyson. All right, now I'm going to show you a bunch of different videos on this, and but that's basically the unboxing. And we have to mount the charger and do a couple other things. But yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.